everyone, welcome to a new English lesson on the YouTube channel Easy English with Lubna. In this lesson, you'll be learning the present perfect simple tense. Let's get started now. First, the verb formula of the present perfect simple consists of the use of the present forms of the verb to have, which is which are have and has. Have for the plural subjects, or if the subject is the pronoun I, and has if the subject is a singular word, and the past participle of the main verb. Let's learn some examples. Susie has eaten a piece of cake today. Lawrence has written a book in history. Kamal has been involved in a car accident this week. Now the use of the present perfect simple. The first use is to give information such as the president has announced new constitutional amendments in tax laws. The second one is to express a past action with the result now, such as I can't open my flat door, I've lost my keys. This means that the speaker lost their keys in the past, okay? And now this has an effect or a result, which is the inability to open the flat door. The third use is to talk about something started to happen from the past and still continuous until now, such as Lindsay has lived in Australia for 4 years. This means that she started to live in Australia 4 years ago and she's still doing so until now. It's also used to talk about an action happened a short time ago, and the adverbial just here is used. They have just arrived home. It's also used to say that something happened sooner than it was expected. A. Tidy your room. B. I have already done it. Excuse me. The situation here is that A is expecting that B didn't tidy their room yet, okay? Or that B's room is still untidy. But in fact, B had done that before A expected. It's also used to tell that somebody is expecting something to happen. Has it stopped raining yet? I have written the email, but I haven't sent it yet. And the adverbial of time yet is here used or normally is used in such situation to talk about something happened in one's life in one's whole life, such as our neighbor is an athlete. She has ever represented our country in the Olympic Games. She represented their country once or maybe more during or in her life. Okay? The adverbial of time ever is used in such situation. And in fact, ever is normally used with a question to ask if something happened during or in one's whole life, such as have you been to Egypt? And the answer would be yes, I have, or no, I haven't. Have you ever been? We would say, have you ever been to Egypt? And the answer, as I've just said, yes, I have, or no, I haven't. Now let's learn the keywords or some keywords denoting the occurrence or the presence, sorry, of the present perfect simple. And I guess that you understood the meanings of some of them while studying or listening to the examples previously mentioned. The first one is since. Since is used with a specified period of time, such as a specific year, like since 1995, or a specific month, such as since October, or a specific day, such as since Monday. For is used with a period of time which is non-specified, such as for 4 years, for 3 weeks, or for six, which is not fixed, let's say, or not a specific year. I mean, for 4 years, for 3 weeks, for 6 months, etc. Already is used to tell that something happened earlier or sooner than one expected. Just is used to tell that something happened a short time ago. Sorry, you could say until instead of till. Um, by the way, but what is mentioned here, or what is written here, is till. Okay, till. Till or till now is used to express that something is continuous up to now. Okay, yet means that something is expected to happen at a certain point or time in the future, but is still not existing or happening. Never means that something didn't exist or happen during or in one's whole life. Okay? Ever means that something happened, or it's used to ask if something happened in one's life. Okay? Or it expresses that something happened maybe once, twice, etc., in one's life. Recently means not long time ago. Okay, something happened not long time ago. This morning, this week, this year, and any adverbial of time with this, okay, or accompanied by this, and the word today are all indicators or keywords to show the presence, sorry, of the present perfect simple. That's it all for today, for today's lesson. I hope you guys all have learned something new and good. Please, before you leave, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and write your comments, suggestions in the comment section down below. Goodbye.